just heading to cruise night. I have some friends there. To be honest, today was a busy day at work. I started at 7 o'clock and now it's like 4 o'clock. I didn't stop for lunch. It was crazy day at work. What a better way to relax than going to a cruise night. We'll call cruise night, I don't know, with car show, whatever you want to call. Over here in Jersey we call cruise night. It's kind of cars and coffee, but at night, afternoon. And I don't know if you guys noticed, no check-in engine light, so we good. But I had to. Yeah. If there was somebody living by that bridge, they are probably super mad at me. My God, that's loud. That's the place I'm talking about. So we stay in the corner there. The thing is, it's not Corvette show for sure. It's like any kind of car. That's what I'm talking about. You see, it's any kind of car. Hello?
How you doing?
Good. See, there's like any kind of cars or whatever you, I mean, it's cars. Bunch of vets though, bunch of vets for sure. It's all here, it's like all Corvettes. The people that I hang out with there, they are there. So I'm gonna head there, have some fun. I'll take you guys around. We'll see what is gonna happen. It's just like a random day that I want to show you guys.
There ain't too much on the street.
96 grand for a Trackhawk. This is like the perfect SUV though. It's freaking fast.
It's number 7 that was made. That's all that was made. It's number 2. And how I got that, the first one sold on Barrett Jackson. I really didn't want the first one because that was a prototype. I got the second one, which is all everything. So I called Shelby and told him that I wanted it. I got the number 2.
Oh, nice.
Isn't that insane?
That's insane.
And it was nice. Shelby was still alive then, so he was able to sign it. It was being made, and also Verdone signed it was being made in Las Vegas. So
that is
pretty
so cool, man.
Pretty cool.
You have the coolest car collection.
Yeah. Oh, that's exactly the same thing that happened with mine. That's an IC3. So they have like a bunch of cars. So our cars is over there. If you come here, you're gonna see that, you know, we stay on that corner, like by the, you know, when you drive by, and mainly all the cars that, you know, Junior did, they are there. I'll show you. So if you wanna die, you drive one of these.
It's actually one of my buddies, but his name is Scott.
It's the guy that was talking to us like 2 weeks ago. Yeah. But this car is like, you can die driving this.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they have like no ABS, no traction control, no anything in these first gens.
Nice C3. Oh yeah, that's a clean one. Whew, it's probably this thing it rips. That's well done.
That's got an LS7 intake manifold on it.
Yep. Oh, I just got this for mine though.
Catch can?
Exactly the same color.
Yeah. I forgot to order one for the Camaro, so I just ordered one. I did the Mighty Mass.
That one's pricey. You got the best one.
Yeah, I did the Mighty Mass, the mild, not the wild.
I got that. That's Elite Engineer. That's the same one I got. This thing is clean. I like the black and white.
Yeah, this is like my dream Camaro.
So you just did this?
Yeah, we just did this last week. You picked it up last Thursday.
Oh, there are flakes on it.
Yeah, it's gloss metallic anthracite. It's all custom, and nothing was printed, so I laid design line for everything. I used pinstripe tape, but I couldn't use pinstripe tape on these hard edges, so I had to do them with single line design line in my hand off the car and get them everything set.
Holy cow!
Yeah, those and the back ones took a while.
And it's pretty. Like you say that, you know, it was pre-made it.
Yeah, they came out pretty nice. I went on the halo and the back too. Nothing on the roof. It's got the clear roof.
Oh, really?
And that ceramic coated it.
Gotcha. Yeah, I love it. Love it.
Yeah, it came out pretty nice. Cool color combo.
We need to do something on my Vette. Which color? Black? The thing is that I have the black thing on the hood now, on that one. But we can do something on the C5. How much vinyl you need to?
We should switch up the black on your hood on your C6. Carbon would look really cool there.
I'm just waiting for you.
I know. I'm just saying. I didn't know if you told anyone yet.
No. So the idea is there. The idea is there. How much vinyl you need to wrap an entire car?
An entire car?
Like a C5.
A C5, I could probably get away with between 30 and 40 feet. So they're not that bad. The front bumpers are the hardest for the inlays and like the fog lights, but everything else wasn't that bad.
Ideas.
Go.
So you pretty much did all those cars. Not the Z06.
I did I paint corrected that one and did like a synthetic seal on it for him a year ago as like a present when I was in the shop. So I've detailed that one, mine, stripes on my dad's. I coated and did the stripes and the headlight install. Those are my old wheels on Richie's. George's car is coated, striped, headlights.
So you did the white stripes too?
I did they're all custom stripes by me. Mike's car on the end, I just ceramic coated. George and Richie's car also have the MGW short throws in them. I ceramic coated the blue vet over there. And
you did something with that, not that one, right?
I didn't do anything with that one. And this I got the stripes and ceramic.
So that means my car is the only thing that doesn't have.
The only one that doesn't have anything yet.
All right, you see, we're gonna get something
soon.
And it's gonna be white. Yeah, man, look at this. I like the white stripes on that car though. I know it doesn't show, but this car has stripes on. Look at that. And this is his car. By the way, if you guys didn't check his channel, he puts all this stuff that he does on his channel. Check it out, I'll leave a link here.
Yeah, change it to my name from Limitless Auto Labs, Raymond Colleen.
Yeah, it's on the description, so you can check it out. So that's the kind of thing he does, like half and half. You do whatever with vinyl, right?
Yeah, and that both is actually a wrap. I get a lot of people that think I have a gray car and I
this looks sick though.
It's actually a gloss black car.
This is the color of the car.
Yep.
Here's the color of the car. Here's the wrap. Yeah.
Twin turbos coming soon.
There we go. And he also has a sick Camaro though, so. But it's pretty good, you know.
You're gonna take the truck out soon.
There we go. We're gonna take the truck out.
Yeah.
I think I need to spend a month with you to go over all your cars. So stripes, and the headlights too. They do a bunch of stuff, you guys know. So yeah, if you guys ever here in New Jersey want to hang out, we are here almost every Thursday. So well, I'm back in the garage. I could not record the outro over there. Not that I couldn't, my battery just died. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this little go with me to a car cruise. I go to a bunch though when I have time actually. But let me know if you guys want to see anything like that. Like, hey, I'll take you guys. There's no script, just me walk around, and you know, people come to me. Actually, I miss because my battery just died. Guys came to see the car, and I just didn't have my camera on me. So, but I really like those kind of events. So let me know if you guys want to check Junior's channel, which is Limitless Auto Lab. It's in the description below. Make sure to check it out. He does a really good job, and you guys know he shares the same shop with his dad, which Ray, you guys know Ray. He's kind of the guy for Corvette stuff. And also, I just cleaned the C5, but you guys you have to wait one more video to see it. I think it's the most satisfying video I ever filmed. You guys gonna like it. I'm quite sure you guys are gonna like. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you guys wanna check it out, HardWorkforce, there's a link in the description below. It's gonna be the first link in this video. HardWorkforce is the brand that I stand for, and we have brand new stuff there. Check it out. If you wanna help the channel, I wanna make the way that you guys help, but you also get something. So why not get a merch, right? So check it out, give me some support, and I'll see you guys next upload. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.